Professor, tell us about faith in Islam.
In fact, this is a very important matter. Faith, Iman, is foundational in Islam. It's not just intellectual agreement, but a profound conviction in the heart, declared by the tongue and demonstrated through actions. It's a dynamic spiritual state that grows with good deeds. The core of Iman involves belief in 1. Allah, God, His oneness, uniqueness, and exclusive right to worship. 2. His angels, celestial beings who serve Him. 3. His books, all divine revelations culminating in the Quran. 4. His messengers, all those chosen to convey His message. 5. The Day of Judgment, accountability and resurrection after death. 6. Divine decree, Qadar, Allah's ultimate knowledge and will, while preserving human free will. Essentially, Iman is the comprehensive, active, and heartfelt conviction in these 6 pillars. Faith. Within the concept of faith, Iman, the first and most crucial point is belief in Allah. This means acknowledging and firmly believing in the oneness, Tawheed, of God. It's the conviction that there is no God but Allah, and He is unique, without partners, associates, or equals. This belief encompasses His absolute sovereignty, His perfect attributes, like being the all-merciful, the all-knowing, the all-powerful, and His exclusive right to be worshipped. It's the foundation upon which all other aspects of faith are built, asserting that He is the creator, sustainer, and ultimate commander of the entire universe. Does that explain the first point clearly for you? Continuing with the points of faith, Iman, the second crucial aspect is belief in His angels. This means firmly believing in the existence of angels as real, unseen beings created by Allah from light. They are pure, obedient servants who carry out Allah's commands without question. They do not possess free will in the human sense and are constantly engaged in various duties, such as delivering divine messages, like Gabriel/Jibreel, recording deeds, and guarding. Belief in them reinforces the vastness and order of Allah's creation and His continuous interaction with the universe. Is that clear for the second point? Moving on with the points of faith, Iman, the third essential aspect is belief in His books. This means having firm conviction in all the divine revelations sent by Allah to humanity through His prophets. These include earlier scriptures like the Torah given to Moses, the Psalms to David, and the Gospel to Jesus. Ultimately, it culminates in the Holy Quran, which Muslims believe is the final, complete, and perfectly preserved word of Allah revealed to Prophet Muhammad. This belief signifies that Allah communicates His guidance, laws, and wisdom to humanity through these sacred texts, providing a blueprint for life and a path to salvation. Does this explain the third point adequately for you? Continuing with the points of faith, Iman, the fourth fundamental aspect is belief in His messengers/prophets. This means having firm conviction in all the prophets and messengers sent by Allah throughout history to guide humanity. This includes figures from Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, up to the final prophet Muhammad, peace be upon them all. Muslims believe these individuals were chosen by Allah to deliver His divine message, teach His laws, and serve as perfect examples for humanity. They were all human, free from major sins, and communicated the same core message of monotheism and submission to God. Is this explanation of the fourth point clear? Continuing with the points of faith, Iman, the fifth crucial aspect is belief in the Day of Judgment. This means having firm conviction that there will be a specific, appointed time when all of humanity, past and present, will be resurrected and stand before Allah. On this day, every individual will be held accountable for their deeds, intentions, and beliefs in this earthly life. It is the ultimate day of justice, where good will be rewarded with paradise and evil will be judged, potentially leading to hellfire. This belief serves as a powerful motivator for righteous conduct and a deterrent against wrongdoing, emphasizing the temporary nature of this life and the eternal consequences of our actions. Does this explain the fifth point clearly for you? Finally, for the points of faith, Iman, we come to the sixth and last crucial aspect, belief in divine decree, Qadar. This means having firm conviction that everything that happens, good or bad, is by Allah's knowledge, will, and decree. It encompasses the belief that Allah has comprehensive knowledge of all things before they occur, and His will is absolute. This doesn't negate human free will or responsibility. Rather, it means that while humans make choices, they do so within the framework of what Allah has permitted or decreed. This belief fosters a deep sense of reliance on Allah, patience in adversity, and gratitude in prosperity, as one understands that ultimately, all matters are in His control. These 6 pillars of faith, Iman, belief in Allah, His angels, His books, His messengers, the Day of Judgment, and divine decree, form the bedrock of a Muslim's conviction. They provide a comprehensive framework for understanding existence, purpose, and one's relationship with the Creator. Embracing these points not only defines one's identity as a believer, but also guides all actions and intentions, leading to a life lived in submission and devotion.